Welcome to Abeokuta. Okay, Abeokuta Paradise Nature Park. Okay, my name is Brother Man. So I'm gonna show you all around and tell you the things that I know. Okay? Alright. Come this way.
The town of Abeokuta, Nigeria is directly linked to Abeokuta, Jamaica for over 400 years. This occurred when the first slaves that were taken to the Parish of Westmoreland were brought to this plantation from Abeokuta, Nigeria.
Come and chat with Tania.
It's Abeokuta, linked to the Abeokuta in Nigeria. Okay, so you find a slave. We're from that part of Nigeria. Came on this plantation. So I saw it get the name of Abeokuta. You understand? The slave give it name. Got the landscaping right around, the mountains right around.
Okay.
Remind them of the landscaping. So we have like the Nigerian High Commissioner coming here.
They will visit.
Yeah, come give me a visit. We get 1 and 2 Nigerian pass through at times. You know?
Okay.
So it's all linked. So it's a surplus for us. This is a small kiddie's pool, but the water comes straight from up in the mountain. The aqueduct.
So the water comes from up in the mountain?
Yeah. The cascade all the way in the aqueduct from up in the mountain. From the spring.
Okay.
The cascade all go this way. Okay. Right here is lump of bushes. So we cut down some tree. We find some spots and put these things. Okay, but right here was one of the first house.
Oh, at this spot here?
Spot. So this place go back from the 15th, 16th century. So it was ruled by the Spanish.
By the Spanish. Okay.
So on the way this way now. We're gonna stop at the sign right here. So this is the Abeokuta sign.
So
And
just...
this spot here, it was a tennis court.
Oh, right here was a
Yeah,
tennis
go
court.
back from the 18th century. So
Oh.
after the English, after the Spanish, the English took over. So it was ruled in by English. Okay? So the English,
So what were they doing here mainly?
well, sugar cane, like lagwood,
Yeah.
pimento, etc., etc. like we have it, you know.
Oh, okay. So it was more like a plantation.
Yeah, it's a plantation.
Yes.
And we have like the Nigerian High Commissioner from here, like a Florentino Congo. She told me that this landscaping look just like Abeokuta, you know. And Abeokuta is the capital of a state in Nigeria, called Ogun State.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so
Okay. So you got the name from that capital?
yeah, this called slave was from that place. It's not me give it, you know.
All right.
It was from this slave. Going this way now.
All right.
The remains of the great house still stand magnificently, fashioned from pure cut 2-inch thick stone. On the property is the oldest swimming pool in Jamaica, which goes back 400 years.
After that was destroyed, they come and build this one right here.
Another house?
Yeah, they build this one. This one building finished, I believe, about 1707.
1707?
Yeah.
So a family used to live here?
Yeah, man, from one generation to the next generation.
Let me look at it.
Yeah, man, you don't.
We can go on the inside or no?
Yeah, man, the inside, no, we're gonna go up the top there. Okay.
So this was built in 17...
07.
1707. Oh. Okay.
So down the section of the basement.
This was a basement.
But it used to be like wood structure, right one. So right even up the top there, you see that spot there was part of the house.
Mm-hmm.
That was a big house. Right here was the veranda. This area. Go this area.
Right here.
Yeah. Down this section now was the flowers garden. So you still have like peeping and all around you could see like the ocean.
Oh yes. Yes. So it look like one of the what you call them? They were what?
Well, two of them was the plantation.
The one of the plantation masters, one owner.
Generally, as Jamaican we say Bucky Master, you know?
Bucky master.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right here now some old time steps. So, like where big trees, the bug used to come here and park.
Mm-hmm.
And they would walk on here.
Okay. Let me go and look at it. So they used to have like the buggy cars in those times.
The buggy, you know, the person who have buggy, the person who have buggy those times come like a taxi.
Yes.
To take person from one area to the next area.
You know the age of this tree?
Well, no, I come here come see this tree.
Oh, it's a large tree.
Well, this tree called Sapadilla.
Sapadilla.
Yeah.
Okay, it's beautiful.
We have little fruits on it here, June plum and
June plum.
yeah, sour stuff, you know, and those things.
Wow, this is a lovely pool.
Yeah, this pool go back from the 1600.
Wow.
It's over 400 years old, you know.
400 years old.
Yeah.
And a lot of persons still come here and swim.
That's why we keep it natural, you know, we paint it orange.
So it's a natural.
Yeah. The water cascade in and cascade out, you know.
So the water that is there, it is coming out of the mountain.
Yeah, cascade from the spring.
From the spring. Oh, this is.
The aqueduct was built by the Spanish.
Mm-hmm. So the Spanish, they built that thing where the water is coming down?
Everything, they built everything.
Wow.
Except that wall there, I put on that wall there. I see the girls was coming over.
Yes, yes.
And the crate, you know, I put that crate.
It's beautiful. It's a natural pool. Look at the sides.
I have fishes inside there, you can put your feet inside there and get a pedicure, you know.
Oh.
There are tourists who come generally, some them come to bed, just come to put their feet inside here and, you know, drink a beer, smoke a joint or whatever.
Yes, and enjoy nature. Yes. So it's a natural pool and it was built in the same century.
Yeah, man. 1600.
So some of the fishes here.
Yeah.
Let me look at them.
Generally in Jamaica we call them tiki, because you know go bigger than this, you know. We people call them banga, what they use like in their fish
Yes.
tank, like the water tank in the hill. Because they would purify the water and it out all the bacteria. Oh. This tree called a meditation tree.
The meditation tree?
Yeah. Sit down and hold a good meditation. That's about it. About over 20 years to $700. So you make enough money.
Oh. Meditation tree. And this is where they would hang out and stuff.
Yeah, they would hang out. So, alright. Looking from here, all over those mountains now, you can see a film sugar factory, the largest sugar factory in the Caribbean.
Yes.
So you find that the mountains, that mountain will take you over to Negril. Okay?
Yes.
Those mountains now, it's over in Hanover.
Hanover.
Yeah. And on that section we find green tea, you know?
Yes.
So all those green tea you look at sugar cane, but sugar get a beating now, Chinese, you know? Everybody
Okay.
chop all those cane fields, you know.
So I saw a building down there. What type of building was that?
This building was the ice factory. It was one of the first ice factories in Jamaica. One here and one in Kingston.
Oh. Okay.
It was supposed to be built by the Cusack family.
Okay. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and those mountains looking over like for Wutan now, you know?
So those mountains would be Wittern side.
Yeah, Wutan. Yeah, they were Wutan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, inside here, first we go hang out and With a bar, they carry their drinks,
Mm-hmm.
the food and, you know.
Oh, and then so is what type of food you serve here?
Well, I don't really serve no food right now. Because to the COVID,
Yes.
close down the bar and the restaurant. But we're going to take a look at the bar and the restaurant.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, first you can bring your stuff.
They can bring their food and hang out and chill.
All right, we're going to have the rope. Yeah, the rope, they come jump on the rope and take two headers. By a part, this part of food is 10 feet. Over that side is 40.
So the rope is here. So a lot of persons now they just swing on the rope and then they jump off into the water. That is beautiful. So where the water continues to?
Okay. This water now will cascade down to a waterfall by the road here. They will travel all along and continue to Sweet River.
Oh.
So now the further down it's going on the earth, you know?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I have those mountains now, we go further up because you see Dolphin Head Mountain.
Oldest swimming pool in Jamaica, which goes back 400 years, with near Olympic dimensions being 71 feet long and 47 feet wide, ranging from 4 to 10 feet in depth. There is a rope swing too.
Right here is the barbecue. There are person who comes and share the pot and the food. And they would cook, you know, they have a really weird, so they would cook.
So you come,
Yeah.
take whatever food you want to prepare,
Yeah.
and then this would be a
Cook out, you know.
cookout. So you can come and do cookout in the area.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom.
I'm coming. All right. So I have a male bathroom.
Leave this one.
So what is this building here?
Okay, this is the bar and the restaurant. And I'll show you that.
Bar and the restaurant.
Yeah, but as I said, the pool and the floor is down, you know.
Okay. But it's beautiful. Who did the designing of the roof?
Well, you know, say, that's my work and the idea research, you know, like, I'm going to meet the carpenter, the electrician, every little thing, you know, the plumbing. Yeah, but we have other workers who. Yeah, the bush inside the fighters on the side here, inside here, you know, food.
Yes. Okay.
This place coming from the 1600. It started by the Spanish, and after 1655, the English took over. You know, we have that house there, 1691, 95. So it will destroy the building, they go and build that one down there.
Okay.
You know? So you have the pool down there, go back, as I say, from 15, 16, over 400 years old. Go back, you have like nature park, you know, the whole complete nature park, then you have the
Tennis court.
Yeah, you know, and you'll have like a sugar mill down in the bushes down there, back those, You know, so those places kind of sell out now. So.
Okay. Okay.
Property like link is called on the land title it's called Mount Pleasant.
Oh, Mount Pleasant. Okay.
On the land title.
So
Only
we're,
property. There's one property from down the road, you know, from all the way.
so the community is Mount Pleasant.
No, up here. All right. It's like, for instance,
Mhm.
back in those times, the slave master would give in community and here. Okay.
Yeah.
They have a couple Mount Pleasant in Jamaica. So
Mhm.
maybe they are relative. So anywhere they go and like have something, they will give like a name then, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I don't know, you know. So what on the land type. Well, the slave now give up here name, Abeokuta. So everybody know it as Abeokuta. You know? Yeah. That was from that time.
Okay.
Okay, information that I just give you guys, I hope it is satisfied to you guys, okay? But I'm inviting person one all over the world to come and see Abeokuta, what it's all about, and come and see Brother Man, you know? Yeah. We even can talk about some Rastafari movements, you know? Okay, we got to give you my number. My number is 342-5930.
That's 3425913.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, thanks. So guys, I do hope that you visit Westmoreland one day. Abeokuta, it is very beautiful, natural. The water flows naturally out of the hill. Natural spring water. So it is a beautiful place to be. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more. Bye bye.